My name is Engineer Adeshino, MD of AIGE 3D Printing Services. We are here at Edufort International School to tell them about 3D printing.
So if anybody asks you, what do we use the 3D printer for? Tell them we use the 3D printer to build things, okay? The head of the lion, as you can see, we made that with the 3D printer.
3D printing is additive manufacturing technology that has helped businesses, innovations come to life. So we have a campaign whereby we're going to schools to tell them the benefit that they stand to gain if they use a 3D printer, which also goes into the STEM education, which is the science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics.
My name is Bio. I'm the grade 6 teacher. I'm the head of the committee for STEAM Week for this year 2022 Edufort International School. So like you can see here, 3D technology is actually new to us. What we know before now is the normal coding that we do on our PC. But with the invention of this, I will see that we can convert digital files into 3D structure, which I believe is wonderful and fantastic. So once you're taken to SPE, I want them to keep up this good job. Thank you.
I'm Mrs. Chukwu, head teacher of Edufort International. Now, initially, what we know about children, well, whatever they do in terms of art, in terms of drawing, in terms of coding and all that. So from this video, I noticed that whatever we have, whatever the children have made, you can be able to get a model, they can be able to produce a model of it. Like this. I was told this ago. How did you make it? Through the 3D printer. So I'm advising all schools to be able to purchase this, and I know it's going to really help the children, and they are going to really benefit from it. So all the structures we have here, models we have here, is from with the help of 3D printer. So please, schools in Nigeria or wherever should purchase the 3D printer. And I think Edufort International is also interested in 3D printing. Thank you so much.
And this is one of the many schools that we are going to tell them that they can help bring their imaginations from design to actual models, prototypes that they can hold. Why not pick up this package and let us show you what you can use 3D printing to achieve in your school. Thank you.